This is the brief on accessing Interface's ForceEDU. Interface doesn't just build load cells, the physical sensors that actually measure force. They also offer this massive, completely free educational hub called ForceEDU. And this episode is your quick roadmap to unlocking the whole shebang. First, let's get you inside. So head over to interfaceforce.com and look right up top under the Support tab. Honestly, think of this tab as a secret doorway that opens up into a massive, free university for force measurement. Just click ForceEDU to land on the Research Hub. Oh, and you can also take the alternate route by scrolling to the very bottom of the homepage and finding it under Solutions. Second, once you're in, your best starting point is visual. They've got this huge multimedia library where you can dive right into the Interface training playlist on YouTube. You can browse years of recorded webinars covering all sorts of specific topics, or even tune into the bi-weekly Interface IQ podcast on YouTube and Spotify. Finally, when you're ready to really get into the technical weeds, they've absolutely got you covered with deep dive written materials. You'll find industry solution brochures, white papers, case studies, application notes, and the subscribable IQ blog. But hey, the true goldmine here, the cheat sheets. Seriously, think of these as your engineering decoder ring. They literally translate complex product data sheets into plain English, and right alongside them you'll find links to a load cell field guide and a full technical library. So, whether you need a quick cheat sheet to read a datasheet or a deep dive podcast to fuel your commute, navigating to ForceEDU equips you with all the free tools you need to master force measurement.